Thanks for checking out this Aweber video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and stick around at the end for some awesome suggested content. In Aweber, there are a couple different ways you can tag subscribers when they open up your emails. One way is in a campaign. So let's say we have this mini course and we want to tag people who've opened up that second lesson. We click Add Automations, we select the trigger, which is somebody opens the message, and then we can choose an action, either to add or remove a tag or remove them from the campaign completely. We're going to use this opportunity to add a tag. So anybody who opens this message, we're going to tag as completed the lesson. This way we can use these tags to segment our list based on those tags and send even further targeted information. Now, if you want to see who's opening up your broadcasts, right before you send it, just click Edit under the Do You Want Tag Automation section, and then type in your tag there for anybody who opens this message. Now, like I mentioned before, from there, all we need to do is then search our subscribers by that particular tag, and then we can create segments based on that tag. So what are you waiting for? Try this out in your account today. And if you don't have an account, wait until the end of this video and click the button to sign up. Until next time.